Hello all. I am gonna demonstrate in this segment on how to use macro function in Excel worksheet. To define macro, it can be said macro is a set of commands that perform a sequence of operations. For example, in this spreadsheet, I intend to calculate the expenses on daily wages a company has to incur against each project under project header column, as you can see, such as civil work, mechanical work, and electrical work. Now, firstly, these are the workers under civil work, and this is under daily wages in dollars header, and we need to add up the values on the daily wages header, and the sum will appear just beside total cell. And we need to multiply the total expenses on daily wages with the number of working days to yield the expenses on daily wages under each project heads, and the number will be shown just beside the cells of civil work. Now, to get started with macros, we need to navigate to developer tabs in the menu bar. Then under code group you will find the macro section. At this point, let me tell you one important thing, that Excel is gonna take literally what you do when you are recording an absolute macro. So if I place my cursor on cell, whenever I run the macro, it will place the cursor always on that particular cell. But I want to have my cursor on cell B3. As you can see, it is now, regardless of where I am on the spreadsheet. So for this I need to record a relative macro, thus I choose relative references. So I click on use relative references, then click on record macros, and the dialog box immediately will prompt me to name the macro, which is the default name as it is shown, so I want to keep in that way. And if you use any shortcut key, by the way, need to press only alphabets, though I ignore to opt out on that and click on OK. Immediately after clicking on OK, the macro recording is underway. You will get to know that by looking at stop recording option. That suggests the performance, the tasks you are incurring now is being recorded. So now we need to add up the values of daily wages. For that to do, we need to go to the formula tab and click on auto sum and press enter. There it is, $410 appears. This is the sum which needs to be multiplied by number of working days, that is 10. And for that to do, we need to click on insert function again and select the function called product, as we are multiplying now. So click on OK and click the first cell number, that is $410, which is gonna multiply by the second number, that is 10, and the result of multiplication appears under product. And we need to copy the number just beside civil work cell. Click on paste special, not paste, as I need to encrypt the value only, and I choose the value and click on OK. Now at this point, my action is being recorded for civil work projects only, and I need to repeat the action for both mechanical work as well as electrical work. And for that to do, let me renavigate ourselves to developers tab again, go to stop recording option, as at this point I want the macro to stop recording my actions, so I choose stop recording and go to the macro section to check if it works for mechanical work as well as electrical work or not. For that to do, firstly we need to choose a reference cell for mechanical work, which is gonna be B11, beg your pardon. So I chose B11 and then go to the macros section, and here you can see the macro 1 by default is being chosen. This is the macro we originally named to get started with. Then click on run, and there you go. The total expenses under mechanical work project is being shown. The same goes for electrical work. Let us check that the macros work for the electrical head on as well or not. See, for electrical work we need to choose the reference cell, which is gonna be this one, B20. Then clicking on macros, run the function again. So it works for electrical work as well. So I'm done with macros. Let me adjust the expenses of mechanical and both electrical accordingly to civil work as well. So let me adjust that a bit. So that's it for the macros. So I am done with my macros. So for more videos, guys, do subscribe to our channel called Happy to Help. So I hope this will come to your help. Signing off today. Goodbye.